Right guys, I'm right now at Tesco's and oh my god, I really need a coat at the moment, but I can't because I'm working in literally about 2 hours and I'm not bothering to go home now, although I actually could, but I don't think there's any point. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the bus, and the bus should be here now, actually. Right now it's 10:01. So let me give you a live view of what Tesco's looks like at 10:01 on the 17th of November 2018. I can't afford the music. I honestly can't afford the music. Ah, yes. Tesco's. Very nice. Very, very nice. And yeah, the bus is late. Damn it, bus. Look, see, it's now 10:01. The bus is supposed to be at 10:01. So, it's late. Yeah, by about a minute. Not bad. They are pretty much usually late up here. So I can understand if it's 5 minutes late, but if it's 20 minutes late, then I'm going to sue Stagecoach. No, I'm not, because I have to take the bus pretty much every day. Yeah, because I can't drive. Oh, such a bad case of phlegm. The bus is here! Yay! Oh, the bus is here! Yay! So guys, we are now on the bus and we are going to town. Yay! Bit of the problem, the bus is very long and these cars are here right now. Nearly getting absolutely crushed by the bus. Literally, if one of these buses hit one of the cars, literally at even 30 miles an hour, the people in the car literally just... I didn't want to have to do this, but I have to charge the iPad up and vlog. No! Right, so the cord's in and my device is charging, so I'll record when we're nearer to town. Right, so my device is now unplugged because we are now quite close to town. Yeah. I'll get a shot of town from this side when the town centre actually appears. Because we're now just going past Bain Road, so yeah, we've passed Bain Road now.
Next stop, bus station.
Right, I'll get a shot of town from here. So here you go. So that's what town looks like. So see you guys in a minute. Bye! Right, we have now made it into town. Whoa, the lighting there was awful. So guys, we are now in town, and guys, who remembers here? Because I certainly do. That day was a madness, honestly. See, I would do it again, but it is too late at the moment. And also, there is always a security person here. I think it's because they found out that we were in there a couple months ago. But no, I would do it again, but it was pretty sketchy because I think literally the first time we tried to get in there, there was this lady who stared at us, and I think she knew that we were there, but just in case she didn't, we hid for probably 30 minutes to an hour. It was that bad, because we didn't want to get caught, because we wanted to do it so badly. Look at that, guys, it's sunny for once in England in November. Wow. So guys, that's the bus I was on just earlier, and I'm going to cross the road. So that was the bus I was on coming back from Tesco's. There goes the bus that I was on. Bye! Bye! And we can cross now. Yay! Look, bus versus car. Oh, the car drove off. I wanted to show you. Look, that's how far the buses go on the road, literally. Whoa, there was a lot of cars here. I'm at a payphone trying to go home wasted. Well, that's going to do it for today's vlog, guys. Put in the comment section down below who's excited for Christmas. I definitely am. Christmas is not that far away. If you are new, make sure you subscribe, turn the notifications on, and I will see you in the next vlog. Until then, peace out, motherfuckers.